Hey guys, this is Dr. Hub. In case you haven't subscribed, please do subscribe for updates. Pyruvate metabolism. So here in pyruvate metabolism, the enzyme involved first is the Cahill cycle. So in Cahill cycle, there is a alanine aminotransferase, so we call it the AAT. The fate of the pyruvate is it carries the amino group from the muscle to the liver. From the muscle to that of the liver. So amino group is transferred from the muscle to that of the liver, and then there's a conversion. It converts the alanine to the pyruvate and vice versa. So A is converted to P, so AP. So alanine is converted to pyruvate and then vice versa, pyruvate to the alanine. Next is the enzyme involved is the pyruvate carboxylase. So pyruvate carboxylase. So what is happening to the pyruvate carboxylase? There is a formation of the oxaloacetate. So formation of the oxaloacetate. So OA, oxaloacetate, and this is from the pyruvate. This is from the pyruvate to be used in case of the TCA cycle. So pyruvate carboxylase is it leads to the formation of the oxaloacetate from the pyruvate and to be used in the TCA cycle. Then we move on to the pyruvate dehydrogenase. So here in pyruvate dehydrogenase, what do we have? So there is the pyruvate to the acetyl CoA, so acetyl CoA, and next is it's to be used in the TCA cycle. Now moving on to the lactic acid dehydrogenase. So here the pyruvate is converted to the lactate. So pyruvate is converted to the lactate and it includes the anaerobic glycolysis. To learn and grow daily like this, please do subscribe.